Action.
Were you recording already?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay. I cut a lot. You ever watch The Pit?
I can't watch The Pit.
Why is that?
Because that shit's too real, is what I hear.
It's pretty intense.
Because I've worked in the ER as a tech, so I know, like, and I've seen snippets of what people are posting about what it is, and I'm just like, yeah, that hits a little too close to home. And
Nice.